You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly in English. The top word is like a toy you can play with, and it's pronounced as doll. Listen carefully, because the two different pronunciations for those two words have a very subtle difference. So, top word with an O in the spelling, doll. It's an O sound, doll. The bottom word is something that doesn't have much flavor. It's not very exciting. Something that is dull. It's an A sound. It's a schwa sound. Dull. So let's listen carefully. Top word, doll. Bottom word, dull. Doll, dull. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.